大家好，我是 Eddie， 欢迎来到你好汉语。What's up, my Eddie again? Welcome to another episode of Nihao Chinese. Well, today EddieG is gonna talk about ing sentence structure, which is present continuous in Chinese language. I know that grammar is a bit different with different languages. However, in order to make your study easier, I am going to use the rule of English grammar and to apply it on Chinese grammar as well, so that it will be easier for you guys to understand. Well, if you want to ask a question, hey, what are you doing now? Then you can say, 你在干什么？你在干什么？你在干什么 which means what are you doing? 你 that's the subject, you. 在 that is the signal word of be doing sentence structure, means present continuous. Actually, sometimes you can say 正在正在正在. These two words together also means be doing. However, it doesn't sound natural and colloquial. It seems like that you are in school and you're writing a composition, or you're just learning Chinese because you want to learn Chinese. It possibly will be shown in textbooks. However, in real life, you just say 在, that means be doing. 干, that's a verb, means do. Sometimes you also can say 做, because 做 and 干 both mean do, to do. 什么 that's a question word. 什么什么什么 Together you say 你在干什么? What are you doing? Or what are you doing now? In Chinese language, you don't necessarily need to say now literally, because it's obvious if I say 你在干什么? I am asking now, but I don't need to say now. But anyway, I will teach you how to say now literally in Chinese, and that is 现在现在现在 just in case you come across this word, okay? Let's change the subject. What if you want to say, what is your mother doing? You can say, 你妈妈在干什么？你妈妈在干什么？你妈妈在干什么？你妈妈 means your mother. 你 this word could be you, also could be your. It depends on your context. So here, 你 means possessive, means your. The most standard form of your should be 你的你的你的 because 的 this word is a possessive signal word. In English, it's like S, okay, possessive. Now, 妈妈 that means mother. 你妈妈在干什么? What is your mother doing? In spoken Chinese, people also like to say 干嘛干嘛干嘛 meaning do what. So just now I told you 干什么 means do what. 干什么 However, you can say 干嘛干嘛 So let's put it in a whole sentence. What are you doing? 你在干嘛你在干嘛 What is your mother doing? 你妈妈在干嘛你妈妈在干嘛干嘛 and 干什么 These two phrases can be applied in many different tenses in Chinese language. For example, if you want to say, what are you gonna do? Or what will you do tomorrow? You just simply say, 你明天干嘛你明天干嘛 Or 你明天干什么你明天干什么 So 你 means you, 明天 that is time expression for the future tense. 明天 means tomorrow. 你明天干嘛 What are you doing tomorrow? 你明天干什么 What are you going to do tomorrow? Well, how about what did you do yesterday? Like you wanna chat with your friend and you say, what did you do yesterday? You say, 你昨天干嘛了？你昨天干嘛了？你昨天干嘛了？ Which means, what did you do yesterday? Or, 你昨天干什么了？你昨天干什么了？昨天 is a past tense signal word. Some of you guys might notice that in Chinese grammar, we don't usually change the verb form. We don't have ed or d to signal the past tense. We just need a time expression to signal the tense, which is 昨天 means yesterday. 了 in this sentence is a past tense signal word as well. If you see 了, probably this sentence is likely to be a past tense sentence, but not always, because 了 also can be shown in a future tense sentence. 昨天你干嘛了？昨天你干什么了？ That means what did you do yesterday? Okay, back to today's topic because I told you I'm going to teach be doing, which means present continuous, means what are you doing now? So what if you want to say I am doing my homework? You can say 我在做作业。我在做作业。我在做作业。在 that is a signal word for be doing sentence structure, means now you are doing what. 做 that is do. It's a verb. Sometimes you can also say 写 because 写 literally means to write something, okay? But the first word comes across to my mind is 做 because 做 is a general verb like do in English, can be conjugated with different words, you know what I mean? 作业 that's homework. 作业我在做作业 I'm doing my homework. And here you also notice that I didn't literally translate my this word into Chinese, which is supposed to be 我的means my, right? However, I didn't translate it because it sounds wordy. You don't need to translate that, not natural. How about you want to say my mom is washing dishes? 我妈妈在洗碗。我妈妈在洗碗。我妈妈在洗碗。我妈妈 means my mother. 在 means be doing. 洗 that's a verb. That means to wash. 碗 that's bowl, literally. You see, in Chinese, we don't say wash dishes. We say wash bowls. That is the language cultural difference. 我妈妈在洗碗. My mom is washing dishes, is washing bowls. How about you want to say my younger sister is taking a shower now? You can say 我妹妹在洗澡。我妹妹在洗澡。我妹妹在洗澡。我妹妹 means my younger sister. 妹妹 is younger sister. 在 means be doing. 洗 that's to wash. You remember that, right? I said 洗碗 is to wash dishes. 洗 means to wash. 澡 that's bath. 洗澡 means taking a bath. This is a fixed phrase, okay? Don't think it separately. However, you can know the meaning of individual words. But if you want to remember phrases, sometimes you explain word by word, it doesn't make much sense. So, 洗 means to wash. 澡 means bath. 洗澡, take a bath. Alright guys, present continuous tense is comparatively simple than other tenses, I suppose. Well, if you have already known the sentence structure, you just need to replace different words and then you can make new sentences. And now let's sum up what is the sentence structure of be doing structure in Chinese? That is subject plus 在 plus verb plus object. Fantastic! EddieG completes another mission to teach you a very useful tense, present continuous in Chinese language. Alright, if you like today's video, please don't forget to subscribe EddieG's channel and to click the alert button to receive EddieG's fun and informative video firsthand. And also, like my video please. Help EddieG's ranking on YouTube. I really appreciate. 谢谢你们。好了，今天就到这里，我们下次见，再见。